equal mc square.
Okay, so like then on that note, maybe what was your inspirations? Like now we know your inspirations in cricket. What about your inspirations in science? That wanted you to get into the teaching business, into the science courses in the first place?
Science is quite interesting. Science is challenging. Science provides you that opportunity to look for something new, always evolving, always there is a problem, always you can find a solution, always you can look for something different, and that's where I got again inspired by what science and mathematics offers to. I was originally, though I had triple major degree in physics, chemistry and biology, then I did my masters in mathematics, I did masters in education. I did my PhD 2 years, third year again because of cricket I had to leave it, but I did a lot of work in mathematics. Now science, because there is curiosity, everything that you see in the nature has got science in it. Yeah. Whether you are seeing a plant outside, whether you are seeing an individual, people are sitting here, all of us are here and doing whatever we are doing, it's because of the science behind it. And the theory, the knowledge, the extension of science into other fields makes me wonder why something is like this. You are studying the TOK, right? Theory of knowledge. We are trying to see why something is like that. That's the very fundamental question. That's where I got into science. And I always loved doing science. Even today I was telling someone, so I would like to do a 9 CBSE physics as well to teach next year. So the children in the CBSE also should not feel that there is a kind of perception that they are not looked after well by the school. So when I say principal is going to teach physics, obviously they think that it is going to be different. So I always loved teaching. I always loved teaching maths and science. Yeah.
And so what would you say got you into physics specifically?
Well, that's as I said, I did a triple major studies in my Bachelor of Science, Physics, Chemistry and Biology. So I studied all 3 papers of equal weightage. So I started as a mathematics teacher. So I taught maths for about 10-15 years. Then when there was no one to teach physics, I was asked, can you teach physics? I said, fine, so I can teach physics because I studied physics. So in 1989 I started teaching physics. Previously I was only teaching mainly mathematics. So again, physics has got a lot of maths in it. So I didn't need to make any more changes to the way I learned things or the way I did things. So because, as I said, there are a lot of maths. You're all studying physics and you're studying maths. You know that almost without the physics, the maths doesn't exist. Without maths, physics doesn't exist. So that's where when I was asked by the principal, can you teach physics? I said, well, I can. So when you go into class, when you teach a subject, when children love the way you deliver the lesson, then you know that you are there. So that's the inspiration. So at the end of the day, whether teaching physics or teaching maths, it's just because of students like you. That's where I am. Yeah.